What's up, guys? Welcome to Ray Ray Can Do It. Today we are gonna do another Bees Fab accessories on my 2023 Polaris General XP1000. I have dealt with this company in the past. Awesome people, awesome products, awesome prices. So reached out to them, got a couple other things. I did pay for this out of my own pocket. Just to let you know, I'm not sponsored by them. I have an interior dome light for the General. And also stickers and another koozie. I have it's your clutch exhaust, I think, intake exhaust, whatever, grill filter. It's got a filter on it. We're gonna be installing that on the side. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we will put this stuff on. We are gonna go ahead and install the dome light first. Should be a pretty quick installation. You got your dome light, which it slides in and out. It's actually got magnets on the back, magnetic, and it's touch on and off. It is rechargeable, USB rechargeable. So you got your little port on the side. So whenever you need to recharge, you just slide it out, plug it to the USB in the wall. When it's done, put it back in and it's good. So it comes with the light, the mount, comes with a USB cable and 2 screws. So let me go get is that Torx? That is Torx. I'm gonna go get, it looks like a T20. Let me go get a T20 driver or T15 and we will get this installed real quick. All right, it is a T20 Torx driver. So I'm gonna take the light out of the bracket. In the General, on the stock Polaris General roof, they have a little oval spot right here. That's where this dome light is gonna go. So I will put one right there, get that screw started. Get my other screw started. Once again, guys, I say this in all my videos, don't over tighten it. Just give a little snug, that's all you need, especially in plastic. There you go. Now you take your light, slide it in. Said it is magnetic. When you need light in here, there you go. That's all there is to it, guys. Now you have a dome light. And then, like I said, you need to charge it. You just take it out right here, slides right out. You got a little USB port right there. Take it inside, charge it up. You're ready to go riding at night. Put it back in, and you are ready to go. You want to charge your light for at least 2 hours before use. Once it's done, plug it in, ready to go. All right, our next little project is going to be the clutch grill, the dust cover. Guys, almost everything you buy from B-Fabs comes with goodies. Got another koozie. Goes around your adult beverage can. Bloop. Bees Fab koozie. Gotta love it. Shoot, I'll just leave it on there. Also, all men love stickers. Got a Bees Fab sticker. Got their little card. Thank you for your order. Great people, guys. Great people to work with. This is their clutch cover. It has a dust cover slash, I believe it's water resistant also, to keep rainwater and stuff from going down in there. It is metal. It has like a foam gasket all around to seal it. It's nice and sealed, way better than the factory Polaris cover. So let's go ahead and put this on real quick. On the factory cover, this is a factory from Polaris. It has, I mean, it's kind of crappy, guys. It's plastic. It does have a little dust cover on it, but there's holes in it, and I don't guarantee that it keeps water out. This is a T25. There's 2 screws in it. Take them out. I mean, shoot, look at this. It's already peeling. Pop it out real quick. Just to show you, this is the first time I've taken this off. Look at all that crap that's behind it. Look at all that. That is from mud and water in here. So this thing right here is junk, guys. The factory cover is junk. It's well worth getting B-Fab's cover. Give me just a second. Let me clean all this off, and then I will get their cover installed. I just got some all-purpose cleaner. Spray it down. Got a microfiber cloth. Just clean it out real quick. That's how I waxed it the other day. So clean all that nasty dirt and grime out. Plus have a nice, clean, smooth surface to seal on. Now you're gonna take their cover, and it's got the 3 tabs that go in the bottom down here. And you're gonna use the factory screws. You can see in there, goes right in the factory hole. Snug it down. A little bit at a time on each one. Once again, guys, don't over tighten it. You are going into plastic. That's all you need. That is a nice fit. It is clean. This compared to this. Once again, look at all the gunk behind it. That has not done its job whatsoever. Definitely a little investment that you can have for your machine to keep trash from going into your clutch box. Guys, Bees Fab. I will put a link in the description on where to go. I'll put a link to all the products that I purchased. Guys at Bees Fab, thank you so much. If y'all watch this, y'all have great products, and I will continue to order from y'all. There's a couple of things I do want to get for my general. This is easy stuff to do, guys. This is stuff that, in my opinion, you need, that makes things a little bit easier when you're out on the trail in your side-by-side. Like I said, the light, if you're riding at night, nice little dome light. You got the, get rid of this cheap, look at this, guys, cheap, plastic, nasty, crappy Polaris cover. Now I got something that's gonna work a lot better, keep my clutch case clean. Also, I did a video, I will put it at the end of this video. I have a little toe mount, tie-down mount from Bees Fab that I had bought. I also purchased grab handles from Bees Fab. Got one on both sides. First one I bought for my wife on the passenger side to help her in and out. And then I was like, shoot, I like it, so I bought one on my side. I also have the Bees Fab flush mount drain plugs that go in the bottom of your floorboard. I have Polaris floor mats on mine, so the stock Polaris drain plugs, they got the little T-handle on top that makes it bubble up the floor mat, so I put those in a lot better. And they fit better. They're tight, they don't fall out. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment. And like I said, I'll have all this stuff in the description. And I will have some more videos coming out soon. You guys, have a great day. See ya.
Thanks for watching.